okuzaayo emabega nga mukyakwana radio mbizo njagala omanyi bali ba producers abenjawulo.
I still work with them, not Muchakola.
Okay, Kati.
I don't know why you like saying that.
Time back nga emabega kaabo ba producers abasinga bateeka kutesi mu nyimba naye nga obeera ne mu videos ayinza olowooza muyimba basatu. Njagala twogere ku hits ze mwakola the magic yabeeranga mu studio, like music yavanga yatya, like ngege mwakolanga music, that magic like okuzayo abantu.
No, it's because we were real, like we were not faking. Twaingira mu studio, and whatever emotions that we are feeling at that time, whatever challenge we went through the day, or whatever struggles we were going through, or whatever happiness that we were feeling at that moment, we would sing things that are for real. We would not just wake up one day, go to studio, pay a producer, and just say, start singing a song. Like, you need to sing about something that you have experienced. Because whatever you experience, even somebody else experienced, the energies are the same that move around this earth. They are the same. The problems are the same. The happinesses are the same. They are not new ones. They are not there. They are all the same. So whatever you sing in the studio matters a lot. You're going to mention a word that is going to affect somebody to behave in a certain way. So is that way going to be positive or negative? You understand? Like, what are you preaching to the public? Like, we would always go to studio. For example, songs like Ngenda Maso. Ngenda Maso were having challenges with the industry at that time with our friends. You know, talk and talk, the same thing. You understand? Then we had Dudu, you know, Sweeter Than Coco. They were in love. People were happy, they were in love. You know, that was the moment, that was the, and it's so fortunate that everybody goes through the same moment. Everybody goes through the same challenge, the same happiness. Everything is the same. But how do you bring it out? Okay, you can sing about money, but in which way? Excuse me. You can sing about sex, but in which way? There's educational sex, there's romantic sex, you know. So in which way do you bring it out? You can sing in different languages, but what are you singing about? It's very important. Like, what are you putting out there? What is my daughter, your son, my son going to start mentioning in the mouth?
Olowooza Washington okubeera nga omuyimbi alina that close relationship ne producer we, olowooza kidetermininga the type of work or type of output evaayo?
Relationship with an artist is very important. A musical relationship. But also the business relationship, that one is very important. Like, most of us forgot the business relationship because we were so much interested in the talent. Okay, because me, I came into this industry when I was very young. Very young. These guys I was working for were like, you know, much way older than me. I came into this game at a very young age. And it has taught me a lot. Okay, I've gone through things that you also have gone through. I faced the same challenges you also face. There's nothing so special about me. But it has taught me how to just be real.
Kunyimba ze mwakuba, I guess kakati kuyinza okuba nga tolina copyright ya music ono. Naye olowooza industry ya Uganda yandibadde etunula in the next years to come?
My brother, once you do a song, you automatically own a copyright on it.
So do you receive
it doesn't matter whether we don't have this and that, but the laws are going to come into place very soon. Everything is going to be organized in the way it is supposed to be. Everyone who is claiming to be this one and this one and this one, I mean, none of them have come to me to bring me any money, but I can see them collecting money out there. But their day will come. Sometimes it's always good to let things mature, and then you see what comes out of it next, than rather you fighting it. The right time will come, all those laws will come into place, and every producer, every musician, every guitarist, every drum player, every person who was involved in the production of any piece of instrument or video will earn their percentage they're supposed to earn on that piece of work, because the laws will be in place and the laws will guide us exactly what. But unfortunately right now, the laws The laws are for this one and that one and this one and that one.
Nga celebrating emyaka ebiri final nga tumaliriza. Omuntu nga yali close marriage. Oyinza okuba omanyi the mistakes, oyinza omanyi ebintu ebirungi, omuyimbi ali talented nga radio muyazi. Oyinza muwa kigambo ki?
Music is very spiritual. It's a very spiritual thing. A journey into bingi. Some good, but a lot of bad. So it's up to you to realize that at the end of the day, you're a human being. You're not a god. You're not something that is out of this world. You're from this world. And in this world, you need to know there's life and death. So how you choose how you live your life is very important. Because excuse me, it will affect everybody around you, especially if you are the head, or if you're a leader, or if you're leading people, or if people are working with you, and what you do helps benefits them and you at the same time. You need to be very careful, because you're going to hurt a lot of people. You understand? So always try to realize your mistakes very fast and try to correct them. For radio's case, it's so unfortunate what happened to me, but as we say, God is the giver and the taker. No man can take what God has given, and he will still live on. We just don't see him, but we see him, we feel him, we enjoy him, and everybody should know that, should learn something from radio, that he did everything to the best. He did everything to the best. Every song he wrote was to the best. If he loved you for real. If he didn't like you, he would tell you. He would not hide. If you were doing something wrong, he would tell you. How he would tell you would depend on how the impact that you gave to him. But he was a very good man, he was a good father, and a very talented artist. And yeah, I still enjoy him. I don't know about you guys, but I still enjoy him.
Okay, natwagala kuda. Waliko mubibuuzo bya hard drive n'ennyimba and stuff like that.
No, there I will not answer any question because that is nonsense. Come on. Bro, I'm more mature than you. I was there before your TV stations and you bloggers. So some of us have integrity and we are educated, we are not stupid. You understand? So such questions like, you're not even embarrassed to ask me such a question like, come on, give me a break, please.